Have you ever wondered who operates from the shadows in the vast empire of Coca-Cola, the iconic beverage that has left its mark in every corner of the world? Who are the masterminds behind the most crucial decisions of this gigantic company, and who truly holds absolute control over it? Additionally, why has the most coveted recipe of this popular beverage been closely guarded for decades? In today's video, we will embark on an exciting journey into the enigmatic universe of Coca-Cola, where we will explain its beginnings and some of the hidden aspects of this iconic soft drink company. It was the year 1888, and Atlanta, Georgia, was a melting pot of opportunities and ambitions. In that setting, an enigmatic man named John S. Pemberton, the inventor of Coca-Cola, was on the verge of a mysterious agreement that would change the course of beverage history forever. Pemberton, a self-taught pharmacist and chemist, had given life to a unique and secret formula that would become the world's most iconic soft drink. However, he faced financial and health challenges that brought him to a point of no return. It was at this crucial moment that, from the shadows of history, an even more mysterious man emerged: Asa Candler. Candler, a skillful entrepreneur and salesman, recognized the potential of Coca-Cola. But what truly makes this transaction intriguing is the nature of the agreement. Pemberton, in an act almost worthy of a mystery novel, sold the Coca-Cola recipe to Candler for a relatively modest sum, a transaction that would change the fortunes of both men in surprising ways. The mystery behind this sale continues to this day. Why did Pemberton, the creator of a beverage promising wealth and fame, decide to sell it for an amount that did not reflect its true potential? What led Candler, a relatively unknown man at the time, to acquire such a valuable secret? The sale of Coca-Cola to Asa Candler is an intriguing chapter in the history of business and unsolved mysteries. Over the years, it has generated speculations and theories that continue to captivate those who explore this intriguing episode. What secrets lie behind this historic agreement? The answer still eludes everyone, turning this transaction into an unsolved mystery that endures over time, becoming a part of the enigmatic legacy of Coca-Cola. In addition to the mysteries surrounding its origins, Coca-Cola has attracted notable investors throughout its history. Warren Buffett, the legendary investor and chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, is known for his love of Coca-Cola. In 1988, Berkshire Hathaway acquired a significant stake in Coca-Cola, becoming one of the largest individual shareholders of the company. Buffett's investment in Coca-Cola has been highly successful over the years, making it one of the most profitable investments for Berkshire Hathaway. In addition to individual investors, the Coca-Cola company itself plays a significant role in its financial strategy. The company buys its own shares in the open market as part of its financial strategy. This practice of share buybacks has contributed to the increase in the value of Coca-Cola shares over the years. Moreover, Herbert A. Allen Jr., a prominent investor and chairman of Allen & Company, has maintained a long-term investment in Coca-Cola and has had a significant impact on the company's investment management. Also, Capital Research and Management Company, one of the world's largest asset managers, has held a substantial stake in Coca-Cola and has contributed to the financial stability of the company. And we cannot overlook Vanguard Group, another asset management firm that has invested in Coca-Cola over the years. Their investment reflects confidence in the strength of the brand and its performance in the beverage market. In conclusion, the enigma that surrounds Coca-Cola, from its mysterious origins to the intriguing transactions that have marked its history, remains an endless source of fascination. The secret recipe, the sale to Asa Candler, and the support of notable investors like Warren Buffett, Herbert A. Allen Jr., Capital Research and Management Company, and Vanguard Group make up a captivating story that demonstrates the magnitude of this beverage empire. Coca-Cola, more than just a refreshing drink, is an enigma that has endured through time, leaving its mark on global culture and keeping the curiosity alive for those who dare to explore its secrets. And that's it for today's video. We invite you to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Goodbye.